Hey guys, today we're going to be installing an exhaust on my NC Miata, specifically a used Cobalt exhaust I found on Facebook Marketplace for just $120. That's about a quarter of what they sell for new. All of my friends said that Cobalt's a great brand, happened to find one on Facebook Marketplace, so today we'll be installing it and we'll be comparing both revs side by side of the stock and the Cobalt exhaust, and of course we'll get some pulling away and some heading towards the camera shots as well to get a good idea of the dynamics and even take it on the freeway so we can hear a little bit of everything that this exhaust has to offer. But first, let's get it installed. Okay, so we got the old exhaust out of the car. It even says Mazda on the other side. So this is our factory exhaust, which weighs similar, I would say, to the aftermarket exhaust we'll be putting in. Now, this took quite long to get out, mostly for the fact that we have these little prongs on the end. So the rubber exhaust gaskets that hold it to the car and act like suspension so it doesn't smack around or break actually took a long time to get off. But the new one we're putting in does not have them. So hopefully this shouldn't take near as long to get in as this took to get out. So let's put it in and see how it sounds. Okay, so now that you've had the chance to hear both the stock exhaust and the Cobalt exhaust back to back, let's go ahead and talk about it. So to me, what I hear with the Cobalt exhaust is it instantly sounds way deeper and richer, and it's just a smidge louder. So that's what I typically look for in exhaust. I look for a better tuning, so to speak. I would almost describe the Cobalt exhaust as what the Miata should have sounded like from the factory. To me, it has a more sporting pretense to it than the factory exhaust. It just never sounded quite right to me. But this, whenever I start the car up, I already get excited to drive it thanks to the exhaust. I do have a funny story about the exhaust, by the way. The guy I actually bought it from owned two different NC Miatas, and the reason he was selling it is he said he bought it and he didn't feel like the exhaust was loud enough for him. So if you're the type of person that likes loud exhausts, the Cobalt's probably not for you. There are other options that exist that you can switch to that might better suit your needs, but in this case, it's perfect for me. The exhaust has no droning on the freeway, and as someone that likes to drive their Miata a lot and even take it on road trips, that to me is the preferred option. So that's what I think of the exhaust overall. I think it's fantastic. The only thing that I'm looking forward to is I'd like to do some horsepower performance mods to my NC. Specifically, the first thing that comes to mind is changing the exhaust manifold, which is known to be fairly restrictive on these cars. And I'm curious to see if after changing the exhaust manifold, hopefully we make some more power, but more importantly, I'd also be interested to see if there might be a bit of a change in exhaust tone, which would be something we would definitely have to record before and after as well, just to see if that affects the tone. Because people don't know this, but you can actually change your exhaust a little bit, even by just adjusting your air filter, for example. Sometimes it can sound a little bit more raspy or changing the general tone. So just a general look, but let me know what you think using the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, could hit that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.